Okay, I'm back again, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, everything in between. More updates on the Chevelle. So yeah, in and outer wheel boxes, wheel wells, tubs, whatever you want to call them, are fully welded. And like I said, I coat everything with bed liner. Just throw it in there just to protect the bare metal. One thing I didn't record, I did it last night. Today's Friday. Last night, if you remember my other video, I had just this outer wheel well just clamped with some vice grips, 3 or 4 spots. And I test fitted the quarter panel last night. I meant to get it on video, but I ran out of time. It's still over here. But I test fit it. And this is a very, very crucial step. And this right here is why. This area right here, that is almost flat, you can see. Curved up here, curved in the back. But you got to make sure, especially this section, is correct as far as the angle as it sits in the car. Now, obviously we're really tight and close. So if you needed to take the tub and turn it this way, for example, and it's a drastic amount, but if you had to raise the back of it 1/4 inch or something, you would have to go up here, trim a little bit of this off to get that clearance to get it to move. And same if you needed the front go down, you'd have to go in and pull the tub back out, cut some sections in here, get a little room for it to drop down. Again, AMD stuff, and it all fitted perfect. Literally, it was hardly no gap between the quarter lip and the pinch weld lip. This is where you weld your quarter lip on right here. Hardly no gap. It was almost perfect fit. You almost didn't have to weld it, but I didn't get that recorded last night. So yeah, I want to make sure that I mentioned that, because if you don't get that correct, test fit your quarter panel, and you get that welded in, then all of a sudden you got to put your quarter in, you're like, uh-oh, what's going on here? Then you're in a major surgery. Then you're going back through and cutting to get all your welds loose, or you're coming in here, you're modifying the tub to get a tight fit, something drastic like that. And if you just take the extra hour and test fit it, you won't have to do that. So there it is. It's all bed coated where you won't see it. And I'm gonna start drilling holes and trimming, and just get the quarter panel where I like it. Oh, by the way, look at that over there. Posted this video and shared it with AMD, and they reached out, sent me a few t-shirts, and look at that nice banner. That's just a temporary spot for it, but might hang it in the actual real shop instead of my home shop. I don't know yet, but thought that was super nice of them. I want to give them a big thanks for that. So I'm pausing this video, and I'll be back with more.